teach you a new rhyme. And it sounds an awful lot like Little Miss Muffet. Do you know that rhyme? I loved Little Miss Muffet. In fact, when I was in kindergarten, I had nursery rhyme day, and we got to dress up like any of our nursery rhymes. My favorite was Little Miss Muffet, and so my mom made me a little costume, and I went to school as Little Miss Muffet. So we're going to say Little Miss Muffet first, and then we're going to do this new rhyme called Little Pole Parrot. So first, let's do Little Miss Muffet. A little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and scared Miss Muffet away. Little Pole Parrot sat in her garret, eating some bread and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. Okay, so since we just learned the Little Pole Parrot, we're going to do it again so we can really remember it. Little Pole Parrot sat in her garret, eating some bread and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. Well, let's get our hands out and we're going to clap as we say the rhyme, okay? Little Pole Parrot sat in her garret, eating some bread and tea. A little brown mouse came into the house and stole it all away. Little Pole Parrot sat in her garret, eating some bread and tea. A little brown mouse came into